Here we come to a brand new elevator that I've never seen before at Nordstrom at the Woodlands Mall in Woodlands, Texas. It's a Schindler 338 from 2016, and it's already here. Great, so I wouldn't have to keep obnoxiously talking so loud to drown the music out. Good, no one's coming down, so I'm able to get a good video. I'm gonna get a detailed cab view going down because I was rushed. I think I might go for one more ride just so I get a good video, since this is an elevator I never filmed before since the last time I came to Woodlands, which was back in 2015. And the store opened a year later I was here. This elevator, also this mall is insanely busy, even during quiet hours. Even during the weekdays when it's quiet, this is still unnecessarily busy, as you know what. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, but there you have it. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.